We know that when we keep food in the fridge, it takes longer to spoil. Why is that exactly? In the experiment today, we will look at what affects the speed of any reaction or the chemical kinetics of reactions. Certain chemical reactions proceed very slowly, while others proceed extremely quickly. Why does this happen? This is what we know as reaction rate, the measure of how fast chemical reactions take place. And we are going to explore the fundamental principles as to why this happens. Collision theory is a theory that explains how chemical reactions occur and why reaction rates differ for different reactions. The theory states that for a reaction to occur, the reactant particles must collide, but that only a certain fraction of collisions, the effective collisions, actually cause the reactant molecules to change into products. This is because only a small number of molecules have enough energy and the right orientation at the moment of impact to break the existing bonds and form new bonds. There are 5 factors that influence the 3 conditions mentioned that will lead to successful collisions. It's the nature of the reactants, the concentration. When you increase the concentration, you increase the chance that the reacting particles will collide with each other because there are more particles in a given space. Surface area. Unless you increase the surface area of your clothes, they'll never dry. Temperature. Sugar will dissolve faster in hot water. Pressure. Increasing pressure brings the molecules together, increasing the chances of collision. The use of a catalyst. Unless you stir your tea, you will only enjoy the tea at the bottom of the cup. For the experiment today, we will look at the nature of the reactants.